Los Alamos County wants to improve some trails to make them more mountain biker friendly. Let's take a look at these trails and see what will be impacted.
We are at the Aquatic Center, starting at the trailhead. The bike improvements start at the service road. This service road leads down into Acid Canyon behind the Canyon Ridge Apartments. The trail gets steeper here, bumpier, and we would like to make this more beginner friendly.
On the left is one of the proposed sites for the skills park.
The trail then crosses Acid Canyon and goes towards Pueblo Bench Trail. Here's another section that's difficult for beginners to climb. The trail wraps around the plateau at Orange and Nickel Street. And here is the other proposed site for the skills park. This site has water already located at it, which is necessary.
The second proposed site for the skills park can be accessed via the Olive Street trailhead. Olive Street is paved most of the way to the site. This site is ideal because you can park close to it. It already has a slope and a wide open space.
Here we cross Peggy Sue Bridge. So this section is good for beginners.
This video was shot at around 1:30 on Sunday afternoon, and only one hiker was seen.
So now we're on the service road that comes down from the golf course into Walnut Canyon. Here we're going to turn to go down into Pueblo Canyon. So this section's pretty good. Here it gets steeper going down into the canyon. And now you can see where it's starting to get washed out. And this is definitely not beginner friendly. But now we're down in Pueblo Canyon. So this is the service road that goes down in the bottom of Pueblo Canyon. As you can see, it gets washed out in places.
There's a deer on the right up here, and I also saw a lot of lizards, but I didn't see any other wildlife.
So this trail is just going to continue on for a while, just like this, until we get to Tent Rocks Trail. Here's the Los Alamos Hoodoos.
The proposed plan includes a mountain biking loop that uses the service road and Tent Rocks Trail. I turned off the service road onto Tent Rocks Trail, which goes along the south wall of the canyon. I stopped here and took the trail up to the airport because it was too hot and I was worried that I didn't have enough water for my dog and I to make it all the way down Tent Rocks Trail and back. Here's some drone footage of Tent Rocks Trail continuing on about another kilometer. You can see the sewer plant off to the left, and this trail keeps going down to the White Rock Y.